Hello and a very warm welcome to 3.0 TV. I am Vishakha Thakur. Here are the news headlines. BTC down 3% while ETH trades below $1,300. Mango Markets community set to approve $47 million deal with hacker. Investing app Stash raises $52.6 million weeks after expanding access to cryptocurrencies. Crypto market maker Wintermute pays off $96 million TrueFi debt weeks after being hacked. Regulators need power to take down foreign crypto sites, IOSCO says. Ukrainian Art Museum to preserve art and cultural heritage through NFT auction. Oscar winner Anthony Hopkins' first NFT collection sold out in minutes on OpenSea. Nexo once again extends due diligence period on potential wall deal. Bitcoin gaming and payments company ZBD launches new open source Bitcoin initiative. Budweiser turns scoreboards into NFTs for FIFA World Cup. And now the news in detail. Cryptocurrency markets resumed their downward trend, falling more than 1% as US economic indicators and the Nasdaq 100 sent BTC and altcoins into a morning session reversal. Cryptocurrency markets after the US CPI numbers that failed to meet market expectations have priced in a 75 basis point rate hike in November, raising the prospects of a 75 basis point hike in December, while retail sales and consumer sentiment weighed on risk appetite. Notably, BTC fell short of $20,000 for the seventh consecutive session, was trading at $19,100, down 3.7%, while Ethereum, the second largest crypto, was down 2.4%, trading at $1,298. IC15 index of cryptocurrencies was trading down by 3% at 27,550 points. The Mango Markets community is voting heavily in favor of making a deal with the hacker who stole $114 million from its DeFi protocol. Under the terms of the offered deal, the hacker will return roughly $67 million of the tokens and keep the remaining $47 million as a bug bounty. The governance vote also states that the project will use treasury funds to write off any remaining bad debt and won't pursue criminal investigations once the portion of tokens is returned. It's worth noting that the hacker used $10 million to carry out the attack so that it can be deducted from the effective bounty. The governance vote has 119 million tokens voting in favor of it and 4.6 million against the deal. The vote has achieved quorum, meaning it will likely pass when the vote ends early on October 15. Investment app startup Stash raised $52.6 million via debt offering after expanding services to include support for 8 cryptocurrencies including ETH and BTC. Stash raised funds from a dozen investors according to a filing that showed the offering for convertible debt, which is changeable into shares or another form of the issuing entity's equity, opened on September 6. In early October 2022, Stash announced an expansion of its fully managed portfolio services launched in January of the same year to include support for purchases of Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, Chainlink, Avalanche, Ethereum Classic, Solana, and Uniswap tokens. Valued at roughly $1.4 billion, the company held a $125 million Series G fundraise in February 2021, led by holding company Eldridge, with additional capital from investment management company T. Rowe Price. Prominent crypto market maker Wintermute paid off its $96 million debt on decentralized finance protocol TrueFi. TrueFi's loan dashboard shows just above 3 weeks after being hacked for $160 million. The TrueFi loan was one of the firm's largest outstanding debts owed to a DeFi lending platform. Wintermute took out a $92 million loan on the TrueFi protocol from its USDT lending pool in April, which was due to mature October 15. Wintermute repaid the loan with interest Friday, one day before the deadline, transaction data on blockchain data platform Nansen shows. The news comes after Wintermute's DeFi operations suffered a $160 million hack in late September, one of the largest hacks in recent months. Securities regulators should have the authority to order the removal of foreign cryptocurrency websites, according to a report released on October 12th by the International Organization of Securities Commissions. The proposals from the standard setter are the latest in a series of crypto crackdowns based on concerns about money laundering, tax evasion, financial stability, and the rise in financial advice provided by unconventional sources such as social media influencers. According to the report, cryptocurrency products can mislead investors while avoiding regulation that apply to traditional financial products such as stocks. IOSCO believes it has found a solution to the problem of international crypto marketing, in which sales targeted in one country, such as the United States, may originate in another. NFT utility is being reinvented even within the art world, as in the case of a Ukrainian art museum. The Kharkiv Art Museum announced on October 13 that its Art Without Borders NFT collection is now available on the Binance NFT marketplace. Art Without Borders features 15 works of art from the museum's collection, with proceeds benefiting the museum and saving Ukraine's cultural heritage, according to the official announcement. The museum is one of the oldest in Ukraine, housing nearly 25,000 works of fine art by Ukrainian and international artists. The NFT collection includes work by Albrecht Dürer, George Jacob John van Os, Ivan Evazovsky, Simon D. Vleger, and others. Anthony Hopkins' first NFT art collection, titled The Eternal Collection, sold out in less than 7 minutes on NFT marketplace OpenSea. The collection consists of over 1,000 original art pieces inspired by the actor's decades-long Hollywood career, with visual nods to his performances in films such as Silence of the Lambs, for which he won an Oscar for his performance as Hannibal Lecter, and TV series Westworld. Orange Comet Inc., a LA-based NFT and Web3 focused design agency co-founded by Hollywood producer Dave Broom, ex-NFL player and Kurt Warner, and musicians Gloria and Emilio Estefan, created the collection. Nexo, a crypto lender, has extended the due diligence period for its potential acquisition of Vault, an embattled rival. On July 5, Nexo signed a 60-day exclusive due diligence agreement with Vault, a day after Vault halted client withdrawals. Last month, the agreement was extended for 30 days and it expired last week. Following a meeting with Vault's executives in Singapore, Nexo is cautiously optimistic about the potential deal. Zebedee, a Bitcoin gaming and payments company, has launched the No Big Deal non-profit organization, which aims to advance open-source Bitcoin development. NBD launches several projects that deal with hosted channels on the Lightning Network, a layer 2 network that aids in the speed and cost-effectiveness of Bitcoin transactions. The NBD initiative will enable other Bitcoin developers to create their own software rather than relying on third-party for-profit services like ZBD. Budweiser's most recent NFT collection will include live scoreboards for the upcoming FIFA World Cup in Qatar. The Budweiser FIFA World Cup live scoreboard NFT collection, which goes on sale at 10 a.m. ET today, allows buyers to choose a country to follow and mint a scoreboard that will track its progress throughout the competition. Buyers can also get a World Cup starter kit, gain access to a holders-only Discord and mini-game, and win a trip to the FIFA World Cup finals in Doha. Well, that's all in the bulletin today. This is me, Vishakha, signing off. And for more such updates, do like, subscribe and share to 3.0 TV.